Next day starts with luxurious car in front of house where with it leans Suga and V folding their arms over their muscled chest, eyes fixed on the entrance of house waiting for delicate patiently there. The moments of their wait got over when the main door opens revealing two of Elior's who steps out from house beside each other walking towards the car with slow, careful steps. Their lashes are casting shadow over their faces from the sunlight which is glimmering the morning, and soon they approaches near the stoic males who straighten their posture standing tall before small beings. They slowly lifted their eyes gazing at the brownies with warmness who stared being mesmerized by them as they gestured both to sit inside the car before they opened the doors for them. Who passed smiles to them afterwards. They settled inside the vehicle in grace mannerisms, and soon Sugar and V too take their seats on front as they drove off from there. As time went by, the four of them entered the mall. Shiny eyes of lures are roaming around all outlets as two of Azure and Aries' innocent eyes moved to one of the expensive-looking outlets. Their expensive radiance showing that they wants to go there, which rapidly got in the sight of Start Mills, who followed their gaze as they stepped ahead towards the luxurious outlet. Sugar and V gestured the lures to come behind them, who nodded before walking beside the tall figures close to the outlet. The rugged hands opened the door for the feeble souls. The Stouts stepped inside with the presence of allures besides them as they stood straight and tall before glancing at Aria and Azure when the Mills passed them a hand to choose the dresses for themselves. You can select the one you wishes to wear, he said in resonant voice and calm demeanor. No rush, you can take your time without any worries. He spoke in his deep voice in a patient tone. Azure and Aerie nod their heads multiple times before they take small steps towards the area where dresses are hanging. They roam their soulful eyes over the shiny attires, amused by them. Each pearl is reflecting in their starry eyes, showing that they like the elegant design of those dresses. They move the hands to see more of the outfits, looking for the one they are wishing for. And soon their frail fingers linger on two fiery dresses with long trails which make them admire their attires as they turn to gesture the male who is standing near them, who noted before two other males hand over outfits to Butte, who take them before stepping towards a vast changing room while V and Suga sits there on ornate couches, placing their one leg on other with stoic demeanor, waiting for the glimpse of their beloveds. After a while, the door creaks open, revealing unearthly frames of both delicates wearing the net fit with flares which are falling behind them artlessly. Each detail is mesmerizing yet well designed, fitting perfectly on their slim figures. Their soft hands are holding onto the hem of dresses which are contrasting with fair skins. Their splendid arms are visible through the net sleeves, engulfing his velvety surface of youngers, covering amazingly. At the end, ominous orbs of streaks fell on the visible slim waist of allures, which are more than any art, but their thoughts filled with the sudden rage as a reminder of their loved ones wearing this in front of others too, which did not suit smell well. Harry and Azure glance up towards the men for their response with hopeful eyes, which soon turned into frowns, seeing the gestures of Ian Suga as they declined their attires with grim faces, seeing their stares on them. who make pout sadly at the gestures before lowering their gazes, looking at their dresses in the mirror, not finding any fault, but so as their stalwarts who are still staring at them with serious gaze, which make them sign and nod. And again, Azure and Airy turned to choose other outwears, not finding any of them as elegant as the last one, which did not get unnoticed by elders who soon stood up, taking their steps towards them with placidness, standing tall near. Dainty figure observed the appearance of their who moved their veiny hands to hold on to the white pearly outwears which glimmer in the bright lights, making lures adore the fits too, finding them gorgeous. As Sugar and we pass the long-tailed dresses towards them, who hold in their snowy hands before walking towards the changing room, small smiles resting on their lips with the thought of the acts of their brownies. Moments later, we and Sugar are walking behind both lures who are looking here and there with shiny eyes when soon their eyes fell on a small shop of ice cream which is little far from them as they wishes to go there. Before turning to glance at both stoics who without even their single word got the desire of their beloveds, seeing their eyes as they take steps towards the shop, making Azure and Airy also walk beside their meals. And soon four of them stood in front of the neat counter where they placed the order according to the wishes of youngers who smiled waiting for the cups while we and Sugar stared at them fondly. After a while, both received their orders, holding cups in their fair hands, taking small bites from them as they look at elders, gesturing them to walk, who nod calmly before following small fingers in front of them, walking slowly. With time, they approach the luxurious blue car of theirs and stare at delicates who are eating ice cream blending in their own world, which is another admirable sight for the stalwarts near them. When Azure and Airy realize the murky stares over them, they slowly lift their eyes, finding Maze looking at them, making their ears turn red, giving hint of shyness taking upon them. The stares of men holds something within which is so intense and immense that it melts away the sensitive hearts of frail beings in ease who soon eat the ice creams and wipe away their soft lips from slender fingers innocently. We and Suga, who both were leaning against the car's bonnet, staring at them, waiting to get done, now stood straight before unlocking the doors of cars with their massive hands in a deliberate mannerisms. Small figures smile at them for the gentle act as they take steps to sit in the vehicle one after another as we and Sugar close the doors behind them before making way to settling inside as well on front seats. Azure and Air slide away their soft wings away from their soulful eyes, slowly yet gorgeously before staring out from the glass windows as they drove away from the area.